We're here. Tom and I are here.
Got the laptop.
We got the laptop, we got the cable. Thanks Richard, you absolute legend, finding us a link cable. So yeah, we're gonna plug the cable into the VL and see if everything's doing what it's supposed to do. And yeah, before
how long it takes me to blow it up.
Yeah.
2 seconds, I reckon.
I'm just blowing out underneath these coil packs because there's a little bit of water in some of them, but yeah, we'll sort that out and then we'll drop the oil. A bit wet. But yeah, spray that out and then yeah, we'll definitely run a lot better. When you think the cleanup's done and it is not done, that was pretty much the whole front engine bay. So yeah, we'll give this a quick clean, then we'll fill it up, start it, drop the fluid, fill it up. So when we take the engine and gearbox out of this, we're going to place a rear main seal because I noticed it leaking. Okie dokie, so this might not mean a lot, but there's 3 lines there where that's the oil that came out of it. I flushed it, drained it, that's what it looked like, and then I just pretty much got some oil off of the dipstick and put it there, and yeah. Side to the right side, it's 1 to 6. That one is quite black. This one's a bit better. Similar to that doesn't look too great. So yeah, they weren't even the right spark plugs to begin with. These are the ones that I found. They look near on brand new, which is awesome. So I'm gonna whack them in and see how much better it runs. The new one's in. Only thing was, when I was cleaning them, I don't know if it broke or there was no spring on one of these, and then I broke one of the other springs. So lucky enough, my dad had a random container full of springs and there was something that will fit, so I'm gonna go grab it because I forgot it up at the house, and I'll grab that and I'll show you what I got. Now I just wonder if this is going to work. So it's a spring, that's all the other one was. Yeah, so I'll just have to do something with the end and bend this part into the middle so it presses against it. I don't know if you can see it, but I've bent it inwards so it should press on. Yep, it's going to work. I'll stop docking the spring and the spark plug. Alright, so this is it. It might even be too long, I don't know, but should work. Put these in and we'll start it up and see how it sounds. That's good. It wasn't doing that before. When it was cold, if I did that, it would just want to stall. Sounds rougher, but. Huh? Oh. Ow. Yep. That was fun. I'm unsure why it's running worse now. Maybe it's the spring I put in, not good connection. I don't know, I'll have a look at it when I get back.
Just need to blow it up.
Yeah.
2 seconds, I reckon.
Alright, go to Tom. RB25 Master. Master. Dan, don't put that in. Bleep it out. Alright, so what do we have? 48, was it 48 fault codes?
7 ECU fault codes. There's like 30 minutes of data logging. It's already on the ECU. It's good to figure out. Please zoom in on some of this.
So lucky Tom knows a little bit about this because I know absolutely nothing. No, not nothing, but I don't think I'd be able to navigate my way through this like he does.
Engine speed 2,800 there.
Well,
That's where the cut is.
which is good.
That's 70 kPa above ambient, so that's 10.
Alright, so I just wanted to jump in here real quick and explain what map pressure is. Map pressure is what the car's ECU uses to figure out how much air is being sucked into the engine. It's measured by a sensor inside the intake manifold. MAP stands for Manifold Absolute Pressure, meaning it includes both the normal outside air pressure plus the air pressure that the turbo makes. In this case, the MAP sensor peaked at 166 kPa, so the math on that is 166 minus ambient pressure, 101.3, which leaves 64.7 kPa boost. That equates to 9.4 psi, which is reasonably safe.
10 PSI?
Probably less. Yeah. Good old Google conversion out. Yes.
10 PSI when we started it just before?
Oh no, this is just somewhere in the logs.
Oh, okay. Probably when I was starting it up and
Yeah.
flushing the oil out. Say that again.
We have it plugged in. It's got 1 volt. The thing showing an error high. Unplug it. It's error low. So there's voltage there,
Multimeter.
but it's just not reading correctly.
Which is not what we want.
We want it to read correctly. It might just be TPS is broken.
Unplug that. I'm gonna hold this for him. Oh, Mitch is...
Does this one work?
Hey!
Yes, it does. Should see 5 volts somewhere. There we go.
So what does that mean, Tom?
Maybe the power supply going to it isn't happy. Or there's just a bad connection somewhere.
I'm gonna try wiggle it when you do it. See if that changes it. Staying just at
If there's
1.5.
voltage on it, it should be 5 volt. That sensor.
So we gotta just trace it back and see where.
Where it's power from and try to fix it.
Alright, let's do it. Now you're on camera.
Oh yeah, we're just doing a new episode collaboration event special 7-time wear on cars.
Tom,
Yeah.
what do you reckon? What do you know?
Lambda's not working, throttle position sensor's not working.
For the people that don't know what a lambda is, what is that?
That's the amount of fuel that it's burning. You want to get the right ratio of air to fuel. Lambda measures the amount of air and fuel.
So what do we have to replace to fix that?
Or something.
So
We got sensors to fix.
what is it?
Intake air temperature, throttle position, and the lambda sensor. Those are the ones we need to.
Either there's like in the line there's a split or
Yeah.
some kind of defect, or possibly on the actual ECU board. Did you say? We've got to short it out.
anything could happen.
So we've got to just follow the lines.
Make sure we're getting expected voltages back from the sensors
Yeah.
when we put them in. It might be easier to check the wiring and stuff when the engine's out. Take it all out as one piece.
So
check it on the
just do
floor.
that,
Yeah.
and then we're not having to,
Crawl around in a rusty VL.
Yeah,
It's a lot cleaner now.
yeah, it's less rusty now.
Yeah.
Like that I've started to prep some stuff, but no, yeah. So we'll be back. So I've started a bit of panel beating, trying to get the dents out, and done a bit of sanding. I'll take for a walk around the car. I really want to paint it. I don't know if it's going to be with a rattle can or what, but I also want to cut the rust out and repair the rust. Also gave it a wipe down. Oof. So I don't know if you can see that. That's bog. Not good. It's gonna have to be cut out. That's okay. Yeah, so I just gave the spots a primer. So much easier to seal the dents now. It's one colour, so next step will be popping them out better. Seal the dents better. I definitely got it out a lot better than what it was, but I gotta, obviously I haven't done it all, I didn't have a lot of time, but honestly this panel's not too bad besides the guard. It's probably the worst part of it. Honestly I'm scared to see what's underneath here. Oh, that's bog all there. But that's right. We'll see how we go anyway. But yeah, that's it for today.